Hi everyone, this is Ellie. In this video, I'm setting up my bullet journal for work. I definitely have a job that has a lot of different projects that are going on at the same time and a lot of things that just kind of come up. So I'm trying to find a good system to keep track of them. I started out by just creating a note section for me to keep track of notes from conversations that come up or research that I'm doing on different projects. And then I went on to set up my weekly spread. Um, my idea is that I'll have on the left side the my main priorities, which I list as my must completes, the events and obligations that I have for that week. And this would be like due dates or meetings, um, that kind of thing. And then a ritual section, which is something new I'm trying out to help me start and end the day strong. So at the time I made this video, I didn't quite have my ritual set up, but it's really about kind of picking out my tasks for the next day, for how to start the next day, and then starting off each day doing a little bit of like bigger picture work. On the right side, I just write out the days of the week, and this is really a place where I keep notes on things I did that day, um, notes from conversations that I've had that day, kind of at meetings, and also um, I try to like break out projects into little steps on each day. In the front, I tried to figure out a way to give myself an overview of what was on the horizon, or and also like what I needed to do for each project that I was working on. So I started by creating these kind of monthly dashboards. You can see here I have a little bit of a setup for August. I tried to use some of the stickers that I've been designing at Neon Optimism Sticker House to create the structure for my like my most important things to complete. And then I, laid out other things I wanted to do that month. I'll say that I unfortunately can't share a lot of what I do because my work is confidential, but I tried just to give some samples of like more personal projects that I had for myself at work. Um, and this I plan to do for each month, kind of to keep track of what's happening. I also created on each month a area at the bottom to keep track of what else is in progress, because I'll say that for me, like I often have the big goals, which I tried to outline up top, but there are still other things that I can't drop the ball on, and I was trying to figure out a way to keep them in mind when I was setting this up. I went ahead and did some sticker layouts, some setup of the rest of the pages just to kind of keep the same format because I decided I liked it. I was also experimenting here with my Mildliners, which I'm a big fan of. One of the things I liked about doing this project in general was that I was getting the chance to kind of experiment with making a planner in just a regular notebook, which is something I haven't done before. I'm a big Passion Planner fan, but I've been trying to use up my notebook collection, so that's good, right? After I set up the front pages, I went back to the sections where I'm trying to keep my projects organized. So this is when I don't have a specific date for something, but I know there's going to be a step involved. I just try and keep that step in the collection for that project. So I just went through and set up some headers for things that I knew were going to come up. Since I've filmed this, I've obviously made a lot more, but this has been a pretty good way actually for me to keep things out of my mind and on the page, and just in the right group, you know. So yeah, this was then I went back and did a little bit more beautifying for each for each month, just to use up again some of the stickers that I've been working on, see how they would fit into this planner. I thought these little bird stickers were really cute. I designed them earlier this year, and they're actually going to be coming out in December. So yeah, it was just kind of making it all look nice. And yeah, there's just quick flip through of each section. And all in all, I'm really happy with it. Thanks so much for watching.